All right, so Grace, here's how you do this. If you need to find 7 trials, the probability of it being 0 with a 35% chance of success, on the table then, I have it pulled up here. This is also in Schoology. You look at your n would equal 7. So we're going to go ahead and look for n equals 7 way along the left-hand side. We can see it. We've got it right here. And then what we want to do is p is 0.35, so across the top, we want to make sure that we are going down from 0.35. And I can see it could be a little tricky here because I'm going to lose space, but if I go down from 0.35 at the top, that's my P. My R is R equals 0, so my N is at 7. I'm going to go down from 0.35, follow that column down. Where 7 is, N equals 7, and the probability of R equals 0, it would be this top number here, 0.49, I believe, if I followed that correctly. So that's exactly how you use the table for binomial probability distribution. You don't need to use the formula then.